Family, welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy Way. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today in this video I am going to make or fry chicken drumsticks. Okay, so to begin I need to marinate my chicken drumstick and then keep it in the refrigerator. So for the ingredients, I'm going to use black pepper, some garlic powder. I'm also going to add cayenne pepper to it, and of course some salt to taste. Then I'm adding some Chinese rice wine, and also I'm going to add oyster sauce. So the next I'm going to add is soy sauce. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of cornstarch. So you want to note that for this recipe, you don't need too much cornstarch, okay? Just a little bit, it's enough. I'm going to cover this and keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, then we are ready to fry. Okay, so then I'm going to get my oil into my frying pan and wait a little bit to make sure that my oil is hot enough to fry. So at this point, guys, my oil is ready to fry, and I'm going to drop my drumsticks one after the other. At this point, if you're still watching and you are not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a video, you are going to be notified. I will be glad to have you in my YouTube family. Thank you. So guys, you want to note that you must or you have to lower your heat. Okay, when you're doing this and you want it to come out perfect for you, you want to make sure that the heat is a little bit low. Maybe a medium heat is okay, it's perfect. And you want to make sure that you check it more often, intermittently, to make sure that it's not burning or it's not getting too brown for your liking. We want to have this looking beautiful, right? So then it is important that it cooked well from the inside. That's why you have to lower the heat a little bit so that it's able to cook well for you. Then our drumsticks are ready. So you are going to love this. Don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section, give a like, and also if you're not part, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to show some love and some support to this channel. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. It's bye. Making fertility boosting.